Welcome back to MBBS Council. In this video, we are going to see the last year's MBBS state quota cutoff for backward class in Tamil Nadu state government colleges. If you are looking for MBBS or PG admission, subscribe to our channel to get counseling updates. After opening the app, you have to select the cutoff menu on the home screen. After selecting that, you have to select state quota option. When you select it, a list of colleges will be displayed. You can also use the filter option which is present below the screen to show only government colleges or private colleges. After selecting that, we can choose any of the names to know the cutoff details. In this video, I'm selecting Nagpattinam Government Medical College. Here you can see the backward class cutoff including score cutoff, All India rank cutoff, as well as state rank cutoff. If you belong to a particular category reservation, you can also see them also with community rank cutoff too. Here SQ stands for state quota. BC stands for backward class. And the number to denotes round 2. For backward class the last year NEET score cutoff was 539. So this year, if your NEET score is above 539, you may have a chance of getting a government seat. If you have not installed MBBSCouncil app, you can install from Play Store by clicking the link in the description below. See you in another video.